Yeah, so one of the commonly asked interview question is, can you tell me about the brief history of Java? This question is common once upon a time, but not at all nowadays. Okay, maybe because everyone knows, not sure, but no one is asking this question nowadays. But let's see about the brief history of Java. Okay, so there were three scientists called James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick. In year 1991, they want to design a language for TVs and set-top boxes. They thought these TVs and set-top boxes were independent of any operating system, so they want to design a language which can run on any machine. That's why they started this with the name Oak as a programming language in 1991, and in 1995 officially it was renamed to Java because they have some trademark issues with Oak. Maybe someone is already using that, not sure, but they have some trademark issues with Oak, so they have officially renamed as Java and they have released it. Okay, and in later on versions they have added few important features. So on high level, let's see what are they. Okay, so in 1996 they have introduced a JDK and JVM, and now with the help of that, the slogan is like write once and execute anyway, because we have this JVM and JDK, Java Development Kit, and Java virtual machine. So it converts your Java code into the byte language, and this byte language can be executed everywhere. Let's not get too deep into this discussion. Okay, so in Java 1.0 released in 1997, there we have the concept of inner classes. Okay, so a class can have a multiple classes inside them, but one class should be the public class, and that itself should have to be the class name. Okay, other classes, it should not be a public classes. That's the catch for the inner classes. And now to store the data, they have introduced a concept called JDBC. Everyone still using it. Okay, Java database related JDBC. Now after that, so many things have come in, and a lot of libraries have written on top of that. Okay, and we have RMA remote method invocation that's been released in Java 1.0. Then slowly they have added some few features. Okay, and they have released in under a license called GNU public license in 2006. And what happens in 2009 was like Sun Microsystem was Java was taken over by Oracle from Sun Microsystem. Okay, now afterwards it was the responsibility of a Oracle to handle all of them, and they slowly started releasing new features from 2009 onwards. In 2007, the major update was Java 7 with the few features like try catch with resource 1. With the help of resource, what happens is you don't need to close the resources, it will automatically close. Okay, because it will implement the auto closable interface that we'll see later. And they have introduced a diamond operator concept as well, that you could see to your left. Okay, that is in Java 7. Now what happened in 2014 is they have released a Java 8. This is a major release in that sense, because lot of interview questions were thrown on top of this concept only still as well. And it is going to be because they have introduced a powerful concept called streams API, a extremely powerful concept to to work with the collections and arrays. Okay, and they have introduced a functional interfaces, lambda expressions as part of Java 8. Now Java 9, they have introduced a module based system. Okay, now after that they have went with a 6 months release. Every 6 months they will update some versions and they will release it. Okay, that's why not many people are nowadays following it. But I think the current release is Java 22, and near future they will introduce so many. Near future as well they will introduce few versions. I have seen few concepts, few related videos like string template being removed, all those things. And but let's talk about Java 8, because this has been widely accepted Java version even now as well. Lot of companies, lot of projects are depending on Java 8. Okay, but I would urge all of you to download the latest version of Java, that is Java 21 or 22, I believe it's 22, and try using it, because there were a lot of methods available that we can use it. Something like HTTP, inbuilt HTTP came, and lot of string methods, so many are there basically. Okay, so this is a small history of Java I would like to tell. Okay, in if I want to cut short in a 30 seconds, like James Gosling started as this with the name Oak, and they have renamed it to the Java. Later on they published under GNU public license. Later on Oracle taken over, then Java 7, try catch resource, diamond operator, Java 8, lambda expression, functional interfaces, and streams API, then lambda Java 9, and 6 months release. And they have now segregated to OpenJDK and Oracle HDK, sorry, Oracle JDK. Basically Oracle JDK is a paid one, OpenJDK is an open source one. That's why a lot of people nowadays are moving towards the OpenJDK. Okay, so yeah, that's all I would like to tell you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.